I got some sad news, your mama died. Don't worry, Dad, I will bring her back to life. That's impossible, as a doctor I know. I will prove you wrong, let me have a go. First of all, I got some news, my teacher gave me an F. What? That didn't work, your mom is still dead on the bed. Secondly, I did something bad, I punched Karen in her gut. What? I told you from the start, this won't ever work. I am not done, I still have one more quirk. I still have one more thing to say. Right now, Daddy is kissing Auntie May. You did what? You cheesecake pig. Calm down, Mom, that was just a trick. She is fully alive, heart beating like a drum. Only like and subscribe if you love your mom.